Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best yard vacuum for Acorns in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Worx Western Australia 4058 Leaf Pro Universal Leaf Vacuum. Worx Leaf Pro is a simple leaf bagger that can bring you a lot. With many useful features and benefits, it has proven to be one of the best products of its kind on the market today. Using this, you will find the answer to the leaf collection you've been looking for. It possesses a multi-fit power adapter with an 8-inch hose. This lawn vacuum cleaner fits easily into all leaf blowers. This is fantastic. No matter which blower you currently have, you will have no problem connecting this collection system. This product is designed for the collection of a large-capacity contactless leaf. Can work with all brands and waste bins up to 96 gallons. The tube is 8 meters long, while the actual tube length is 16 meters. It's a top leaf picker that gets the job done. Just attach it to the leaf blower/vacuum for the sucking of leaves, and watch it suck leaves smoothly and without any required effort. It's an efficient and clean way to deal with messy and strenuous jobs. Advantages. The universal connection tube allows this product to work with all major brands. The 8-meter tube is durable, flexible, and of the right length. Mesh hood easily fits almost any waste bin. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Disadvantages. Not compatible with the turbine fusion leaf blower. Use on wet leaves can cause blockages. At number 2. Worx WA 4054.2 Leaf Pro Universal Leaf Vacuum. Thanks to this universal, high-capacity WRX Leaf Pro leaf collection system, cleaning lawns and gardens can be simplified. Indeed, this instrument is universally designed to adapt to almost all the main electric and best gas vacuum cleaners. It can be connected to round and square bins up to 96 liters to collect garbage and leaves in the yard. As for the leaf collection system, it has a total hose length of 16 meters for ease of use, as well as featuring an 8-foot hose made of very resistant and industry-resistant materials. Plus, it has a few extra features, so let's take a look at some of the pros and cons. Advantages. Universal adapter with multiple settings. Works with a blower and a vacuum cleaner with air hoses up to 5 in diameter. Pro-flow mesh lining with hood included with a tight drawstring. 8-meter hose connector for industrial strength. Disadvantages. It does not include lithium-ion batteries. Large power lines cannot be drawn. At number 3. Worx WG512 Trivac 2.0 Electric Vacuum Blower. Worx Trivac is reasonably affordable and costs less than $300 on Amazon. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to use. You can easily take care of all those messy yard work. Keep in mind that it is also extremely portable, so you don't have to worry about carrying a heavy mulching machine around the yard. Advantages. The price of Worx is an advantage, not to mention its portability. Installation is also incredibly minimal and time-consuming. You don't have to get disturbed about the sticks. It absorbs while sucking leaves because Worx can handle them easily. Disadvantages. The only major drawback of Worx is that you may have to do it with an extension cable, as the cable supplied is a bit short. At number 4, Black Plus Decker 20V Max Asterisk Cordless Sweeper. A very complicated task. When the leaves fall, you need to sweep all the debris and dry leaves several times. This is the time when technology allows you to accomplish the task easily. Lawn owners, for them, a leaf blower, are a ubiquitous tool. The LSW 221 Decker Blower is the latest cordless machine with additional features. It is very safe and straightforward to use. It runs on electricity and even gas. Even a non-specialist can easily learn to use this cordless leaf blower. It is effortless and comes with a bracelet, which reduces the pressure on the spine. It is essential to be satisfied with what you choose for yourself. The cordless leaf blower will be ideal for your garden. The Black Plus Decker 20V Max Lithium Sweeper has been built with an impressive design that includes great features. It weighs only 3.7 pounds and is designed for lighter activities. No additional maintenance is required for this electric machine. It has a softer grip, which can be easily balanced during work. It has a 20-volt lithium-ion battery with a speed of 130 miles per hour. Advantages: it has a built-in scraper that helps remove persistent debris and dry leaves. It is lightweight and easy to handle. It is fully equipped with a handy vacuum cleaner accessory. Disadvantages: the integrated cruise control is a roller switch instead of a shutter. At number 5, Worx WG505. In the multitude of highly enticing specifications from different companies, some of them find that cleaning and emptying debris is sometimes difficult and takes much longer to get a task done. This happens especially when the garbage is not dry. Fortunately, Worx WG505 is the instrument that makes essential changes to the design of the nozzle and bag. As a result, you will get efficient results as quickly as possible, as well as quick emptying and cleaning. So, when you need to clean a large area with large amounts of leaves and debris, this is the perfect brand for you. Thanks to the wide and powerful range of configurations, you can remove different types of debris and waste without causing dust. Advantages: good speed, excellent nose design, versatile and efficient product, powerful rotor. Disadvantages: switches off during the cleaning process, possible safety risk. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.